Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss for you Kinetic ERP tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's get started. So first, let's go discuss what is Epicor Kinetic ERP. So Epicor Kinetic ERP is a modern cloud-based enterprise resource planning system. It's designed to help businesses of all sizes streamline operations, manage resources, and achieve growth. Whether you're in manufacturing, distribution, or retail, Kinetic ERP offers a wide range of tools to optimize workflows and improve efficiency. So the best part here, its intuitive design ensures that both beginners and experienced users can navigate it with ease. Now let's go and discuss the key features. So first is they have user-centric design. So the platform is built for ease of use with customizable dashboards that highlight the tasks most critical to your business. Now, it simplifies navigation, reduces training time, and boosts productivity, making the deal for teams of any size. And they also have advanced manufacturing tools. So if you're in manufacturing, you'll love features like production planning, scheduling, and shop floor monitoring. It supports lean manufacturing practices, reduces waste, and ensuring efficient resource utilization. And they also have comprehensive financial management. The financial module includes tools for managing general ledgers, accounts payable, receive, payroll, and budgeting. Advanced reporting features gives you insight for strategic planning and help ensure compliance with regulations. They also have cloud-based deployment. Now, it operates seamlessly in cloud, allowing remote access and reducing reliance on in-house IT resources. Businesses can choose between cloud, hybrid, or on-premise deployment based on their needs. And they also have inventory and supply chain management. It includes robust tools for inventory tracking, demand forecasting, and real-time supply chain collaboration. Helps prevent stockouts, reduce overstocking, and enhance supplier relationship. And they have built-in analytics and reporting. So they provide advanced analytics and real-time reporting tools to support data-driven decision making. So you create custom reports and monitor key performance indicators or KPIs across departments. And finally, they have mobile accessibility. So the platform is mobile friendly, so you can manage operations on the go, whether you're approving transactions, checking inventory updates, or tracking KPIs. Now, in this case, why choose Kinetic ERP? So Epicor Kinetic ERP stand out because of its user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, customize, making a deal for business just starting with their ERP journey. That also, well, because of their adaptability and scalability. Now, grow with your business, in this case, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. And they have a cloud first approach. So keep your business competitive with the latest technology while reducing IT infrastructure burdens. And they have real time insights. So the built in analytics and reporting tools empower better decision making and transparency. And they have industry focus. So it's particularly strong in manufacturing and distribution, where efficiency and precision are critical. Now, in this case, Epicor Kinetic ERP isn't just a software, it's a comprehensive solution. It helps businesses stay ahead of the curve with tools for financial management, supply chain optimization, and mobile accessibility. It's designed to help you streamline operations and foster growth. Now, if you're looking for long-term investment to modernize your operations, improve efficiency, and achieve your business goals, then Kinetic ERP is worth considering here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.